Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the second week and this time I happen to break a pot, but it's absolutely okay because this was an old pot. What I wanted to show you guys over here is how the roots tend to look like of an healthy succulent. This is an haworthia. You can also see how loose the soil is. With a gentle shake. You can see the amount of soil that just separates from the roots. It's not clinging onto the roots. That is why I always say use a soil mix that is very loose and porous. If you're going to use a regular potting media or a regular soil, that soil will completely cling onto the roots and will not let the roots grow. You can see the upper portion, they are slightly darker in color because those are the older roots, but the white ones that you're seeing are all the new roots. Now because the soil mix is so loose, you can see how freely the roots are able to grow. Right now this haworthia is slightly dehydrated, that's why the leaves are slightly wrinkled and closed inwards, but you can see how easily the soil tends to just come out from the roots. This is how loose and porous your soil should be. It should not suffocate the roots, or it should not become very heavy around the root area. Only then the roots will be able to grow freely. So now I will be probably repotting it tomorrow because right now I still have to do a lot of work. I will be repotting it later on. Now because this succulent is slightly dehydrated, I will be watering it after probably 5 to 6 days. I won't be watering it immediately because I will be taking out few of the leaves. So anyways, I cannot water the same day. The succulent is not completely dehydrated. There is still a little bit of water in the leaves, so I do not need to be worried. But overall, you can see how beautiful and healthy the roots are. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.